Hi, Stratford School. Mrs. Caravan here. So today we're going to be growing crystals. In nature, crystals form when a liquid rock, or magma, cools. As liquid cools, the minerals start to gather together, and these molecules attach to each other in a pattern. The crystals are also formed as water evaporates from a solution. As the water evaporates, the solution can't hold as many of the molecules, and they attach together to form a crystal. This is how sea salt is made. So today we're going to be making sugar crystals, also known as rock candy. So what you need for this experiment is 3 cups of sugar and a little bit extra to coat your sticks. 1 cup of water, 1 pot that you're going to be putting on the stove, so you're going to need parent help to heat up that water. A few jars, depending on how many rock candies you want to make. Some skewers, however many rock candy you're going to make, you're going to need a skewer for each one. You're going to need a clip to hold it on top of your jar. Okay, so the first thing you got to do is take one of your skewers. You're going to be soaking it in water for a little while. You want to get that stick soaked. And then you're going to roll it in your extra sugar. So I've got mine in a jar here. So you're just going to roll it around until it's coated in sugar. And you're going to let that dry while we do the rest of the experiment. So while that's drying, what you need to do is pour your water into your pot and your sugar into your pot. And you're going to slowly heat that up on the stove until all of the sugar is dissolved. So you can't see the sugar anymore. So you're going to need a parent help with this because it gets really hot. So hold on while I do that. Okay, so my sugar water, the sugar is all dissolved and it's really thick right now. And I have 2 skewers coated in sugar and they look to be dry. So the first thing I'm going to do is pour this into my jars. It's very hot, so be very careful. I'm going to fill up our jars with the sugar syrup. Okay. And then we're going to take our skewer and let's see what you can see here. We're going to try to figure out where we're going to clip this. We do not want this to touch the jar. We want it to be suspended in the middle of the jar. It can't be touching the bottom or the sides. So we're going to put our clip, I'm going to try right about here. And we're going to stick it in the water and balance it on top here. Okay, so that one's good. And we're not going to touch it again. I'm going to do the same thing with this one. Let's see. My jar, let's see, it's got to be, I'm going to go about this tall and suspend it in my jar. Okay, so now we need to wait 1 to 2 weeks and we'll check on it and hopefully we have some sugar crystals. Good luck growing your crystals.